Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween, and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Hello my loves. So today we are going to be playing with some new makeup. Well, it's new to me. I was into my local Shoppers, stumbled upon it, so I don't really know how long it's been out in the beauty market for. But today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look with the new Rimmel London Magnified Eyes Rainbow Edition palette, along with the Rimmel London Jelly Glitter Gel. I'm going to go ahead and show you swatches of the eyeshadow palette, give you all the details about it, and then I will jump into the video and show you how I created this look. Rainbow Edition palette. Day to night palette for multi-eye looks. Rich, intense, long-lasting color. Crease proof, can also be used wet to line the eyes and give definition. A net weight of 14.2 grams, which is 0.5 ounces. And of course, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with my Anastasia Beverly Hills little mini eye primer. I absolutely love this primer. A little bit of it goes a long way, and as you can tell, it's pretty like pigmented. It's very, how can I describe it? It's like not thick but not thin formula either. I really like this eye primer. Now for the Rimmel London Magnified Eyes Rainbow Edition palette. I'm so super excited for this palette. The colors in here are so pretty. When I seen this into my local Shoppers, I was like, okay. It was a toss-up between this one and another new one that they had out. The other new one kind of reminds me like of the subculture, like that kind of vibes from Anastasia Beverly Hills. But when I seen this, I was like, oh, I love the colors in this. And of course it comes with a brush, which I really don't use. So I'm going to go in with this like orange shade first, and I'm going to be applying this into my crease. And I really love the Spice Edition palette from Rimmel London. That one was so gorgeous. I actually did a full review and swatches and all that and tutorial with that palette. We'll leave the link right there for you guys to check it out. This shade, wow, that's really super pigmented. And that was just going in once with my brush. I would describe this shade as a muted orange. It's very nice. You could definitely wear this all over your lid as an everyday eye look, that is for sure. Now the next shade I'm going to go in with is this beautiful soft pink shade. And I'm going to be applying this also into my crease just to add some more color there. And just to see how well they actually blend together and build up together. Now the next shade that I'm going to go in with is this beautiful lavender shade, and I'm just going to be applying this to the outer portion of my lid, and then I'm going to just bring it in just a little bit, just like tapping it on first. The next shade I really want to try is like this beautiful electric blue shade. And I'm just going to take that and put that on my lid and just see how vibrant it is. So now I'm going to go back in with that lavender shade once again, and I'm going to apply some more of that to the outer portion of my eye and just pop it right on top of that blue shade. And then I'm just going to like work the two together. There we go. So I didn't want to have too much blue on my lid. I just wanted to have like just enough. I wanted to do something different that I normally don't do. So I will have to say that blue shade is very like hard to work with. It's not as pigmented as I thought it would be. Like when you look at it in the pan and then when you look at it on my eyes, it's not really super pigmented. I find this palette to be like a very, say, kind of a muted rainbow. Like it looks so vibrant in the pan, but when you apply them to your eyes, they're very soft colors. So under my lower lash line, I am going to go in with this lime green shade because that's one of the colors that really drawn me to this palette, because I'm just obsessed with like the neon greens, any neon colors really. And I'm just going to tap this into my lower lash line. That doesn't really, I don't know, it's not really, once again, not as pigmented as I thought it would be. So I already got some of the green shadow on my brush, and I did take my Milani Make It Last setting spray. I sprayed the brush, and I'm just going to see if I can make that a little tiny bit more pigmented. So that definitely made it more pigmented. It is definitely more vibrant when you wet the brush with a setting spray. Now for my inner corner, I am going to go in with this yellow shade right here. And I'm just going to apply dry at first just to see what it's like. But with that green shade, when applied dried, it was okay. But when you apply it with the setting spray, it really popped. So I'm just going to see, oh yeah, that is really nice. It's super pigmented when applied dry. So that is the look with the eyeshadow palette. Now, just to give it a little extra oomph, I did see this and it was new, and it says the Rimmel London Jelly Glitter Gel. And this here it says apply to lids, face, or body. I did get mine in number 100, which is Frost, which is like this beautiful, almost like a pearl essence to it. I do have it swatched on my hand. And when I swatch it on my hand, it has like different colors in it, which is really super pretty. And hopefully my camera's picking up on the color of it on my hand, but it's just really gorgeous, gorgeous finish to it. I'm going to take my Sephora silicone applicator. I am going to apply it with this because I feel like then it would be more controlled on my lid. So I'm just going to take a small amount, just like that. And then I'm going to apply this all over my lid. So what I did was I went off camera, refixed it again, applied the blue again, then I just applied that jelly glitter gel just over the blue area. I don't want it to go all over my lid, so I am going to go back in with some more now that this part here is dry and just intensify that a little bit more. So I went ahead off camera and I applied lashes, liner, mascara, and lipstick. That will be all listed down below. So what do I think about the Rimmel London, the Magnif'eyes Rainbow Edition palette, along with the Rimmel London Jelly Glitter Gel? Well, let's talk about the palette first. I have to say that this is a very like muted rainbow palette because it looks so vibrant in the pan, but when you apply them to your eyes, they become very like almost a pastel rainbow vibe. But I do like that for the simple fact because this is like an everyday eye look that I could go out and wear, and the colors are not so bold in your face. I do love the first three shades here that I use, the orange, the pink, and the lavender shade. I really love this green shade, especially when you wet your brush because then it becomes more vibrant. And I love the yellow shade as well that I popped for my inner corner highlight. As for this blue shade, I'm really not a fan of it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm just not a fan of it. All in all, I think this is a nice like pastel rainbow palette. I do like the look that I created. They blended really great as well. They didn't become muddy when you applied shadows upon shadows. It blended it really, really nice. But like I said, it's not like a vibrant in-your-face rainbow palette. It's definitely a pastel rainbow palette that you could wear every day. Now for the Jelly Glitter Gel. I have to say that you have to take small amounts at first when applying it to your lids because I've never used any product like this in a jelly form before, so I wasn't really used to it. Didn't really know how to apply it to my lids. I just took a lot of it and applied it. When that happened, it just kind of made my eyeshadow really faded. And I didn't like that, so I went off camera, reapplied the shadow again, then I went in with small amounts. And I do find when you're applying with your finger, you're actually like picking up the jelly and the shadow with it as well. So I did like using my little Sephora applicator that has like a little silicone tip. I did find that applied the jelly really nice. Now I will have to say, just going with a small amount first, wait for that to dry, then go in, apply some more until you get it like to the intensity like of the glitter jelly effect that you want. And I really like that I applied it over that blue because I really was not feeling that blue shade. So all in all, that's my final thoughts and review on the new Rimmel London Magnified Eyes Rainbow Edition palette along with the Rimmel London Jelly Glitter Gel. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite Rimmel London product? Do you have this eyeshadow palette? Have you tried this jelly yet? Let me know in the comments down below. Have you tried the jelly yet? Let me know. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!